In this video, I will show you how to use the Excel proper function along with some examples and important things to remember while using it. So let's get started. The proper function in Excel is used to capitalize the first letter of each word of the text. Here is the syntax of the proper function. This function accepts only one argument, that is the text we want to convert to proper case. The proper function first converts all the uppercase letters to lowercase and then capitalizes the first letter of each word to uppercase. For example, this proper formula will convert the first letter of each word of this text to uppercase and all other letters to lowercase. We can also pass a cell reference to the proper function. For example, this proper formula will return the content of cell B3 in the proper case. The proper function does not affect the numbers, punctuations, and spaces. It simply converts a number to text and returns it. For example, this proper formula will return the number as text as is without any change. However, if the number is formatted, the proper function removes the formatting. For example, this cell has the number formatted as currency. If we apply the proper function to it, it will remove that formatting. Since the dates are also treated as numbers in Excel, the proper function removes the date formatting as well and returns the date serial number as text, as we can see from this proper formula. However, one important thing to remember is that the proper function capitalizes the letter immediately after the number or punctuation. For example, here this cell contains a text value John's dog. When we try to convert this text to proper case using the proper function, the letter S will also be capitalized because it is immediately after the punctuation. Similarly, this cell contains a text value one word. When we apply the proper function to it, the letter W will be capitalized because it is immediately after a number. In this Excel sheet, some of the names are in lowercase, some are in uppercase, and the rest are in mixed case. We can convert all these names to proper case using the proper function like this. As you can see, the text case is now consistent across all names in the column. Here in this Excel sheet, we have some text values in this column. These text values do not have consistent cases and they have many space characters at the start, at the end, and in the middle as well. We can use the proper function along with the trim function to remove these extra spaces and make all of them in the proper case. Here is the formula that first removes the extra spaces using the trim function and then applies the proper case to them using the proper function. As you can see, all the text values now have a consistent case and do not contain any extra spaces. Watch these videos to learn more Excel tips, tricks, and how-to tutorials. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel.